The Tesla app not finding your car is a common issue stemming from location services, VIN mismatches, or account sync problems. The app relies on GPS, cellular data, and Tesla's cloud servers to communicate with your vehicle. Understanding these core dependencies is key to troubleshooting. We'll cover the main reasons why this happens and provide quick solutions. Understanding these core dependencies is key to troubleshooting. We'll cover the main reasons why this happens and provide quick solutions. The Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN, is a unique 17-character code that serves as your Tesla's digital fingerprint. It links your app directly to your specific vehicle, ensuring secure and accurate communication. This unique code ensures that only authorized users can control and monitor the vehicle through the app. Without proper VIN synchronization, the app may fail to locate or communicate with your car. The VIN can be found in several locations on your Tesla: under the hood, on the driver's side dashboard, on the driver's door jamb, and on the front frame rail. Always verify the VIN matches what's registered in your Tesla account. Account synchronization is equally critical. Make sure you're logged into the exact Tesla account that was used when the vehicle was first registered. Any mismatch here can prevent the app from finding your car. On the Tesla sign-in page, enter the credentials for the account linked to your vehicle's registration. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset option to regain access. If you bought a used Tesla, complications can arise. The previous owner's Tesla account might still be associated with the vehicle, blocking your access and causing the app to fail in locating the car. To resolve this, contact Tesla support to initiate a VIN transfer process. You'll need to provide proof of purchase and vehicle ownership documents. Tesla's support team will guide you through the verification steps. As an additional step, consider performing a factory reset on the vehicle. This clears all previous account data and allows the car to be paired fresh with your Tesla account. In the vehicle's touchscreen interface, navigate to the reset option typically found in the Settings menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the factory reset, which will require reconnection to your account afterward. When executed properly with Tesla support's assistance, these steps have a high success rate of 95% for verified ownership cases. Proper documentation and following support instructions are key to resolving synchronization issues. Both your phone and your Tesla need to be online for the app to work properly. Start by ensuring your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. The Tesla app relies on your phone's internet to communicate with Tesla's servers. Check your phone's control center to confirm Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled and connected. Your Tesla car uses its own SIM card for cellular data connectivity. If the car is offline due to weak signal or other issues, the app cannot receive location updates or send commands. Battery-saving modes on your phone can limit background app activity, including data usage for the Tesla app. Temporarily disable these modes to ensure full connectivity. If connectivity issues persist, try restarting both the Tesla app and your car. This can clear temporary software or firmware glitches that may be interfering with the connection. Tesla's app uses OAuth for authentication, a secure protocol that lets the app access your car's data without storing your password. This involves authorization codes and access tokens exchanged between your device, Tesla's servers, and the car. Expired sessions can block access to your car. OAuth tokens have limited lifespans, and when they expire, the app can't communicate with Tesla's servers, leading to sync failures. To resolve expired session issues, log out of the Tesla app completely. Go to the app's settings, select Log Out, and then log back in with your credentials. This refreshes the OAuth tokens and can fix sync problems. For thorough troubleshooting, use the Sign Out Everywhere feature in the Tesla app settings. This clears cached authentication data from all your devices, forcing a fresh OAuth flow that can eliminate sync problems. To prevent future issues, make it a habit to log out and log back in periodically. This routine maintenance keeps your authentication sessions current and maintains smooth sync between the app and your car. Tesla has integrated AI into the app version 5.2, released in mid-2025, to proactively detect and fix common issues like sync problems. The app now offers automated troubleshooting steps, reducing car not found errors by an estimated 40% based on Tesla's internal data. Looking ahead to 2027, full AI-driven troubleshooting could eliminate 80% of manual fixes, according to Tesla's roadmap shared at the 2025 Investor Day. This includes self-healing via over-the-air patches and proactive issue detection to prevent problems before they affect users. Tesla's roadmap includes merging the app with home automation through Tesla Energy products and third-party services like Google Maps. This integration cross-verifies data from multiple sources, potentially minimizing sync errors and improving reliability. Expect quantum-secure encryption by 2026 to prevent hacking-related sync issues, and global satellite networks expanding Starlink for reliable location data even in remote areas. Trends toward subscription-based features will bring even more proactive solutions in the coming years. Many Tesla owners have successfully resolved car not found issues through online communities and support channels. These real-world examples demonstrate that solutions often start with simple checks before escalating to Tesla support. For instance, a popular Reddit discussion highlighted how VPN usage disrupted location services. Users discovered that disabling the VPN and checking location permissions in device settings quickly restored the app's ability to locate their vehicles. Another common scenario involves purchasing a used Tesla. One forum user couldn't access vehicle controls until Tesla support performed a VIN transfer, requiring proof of ownership and a vehicle reset. This highlights the importance of proper account synchronization for transferred vehicles. These real-world cases illustrate that while issues can arise from various sources, the solutions typically involve verifying settings or seeking official support, making Tesla app troubleshooting more accessible for all users. Tesla's CTO Drew Baglino has emphasized that app stability remains a top priority for the company. As of October 2025, the Tesla app has reached 50 million downloads, with most user reviews noting that location and sync issues have been resolved following recent updates. To maintain this improvement, focus on proactive maintenance by keeping both your app and car firmware updated and actively participating in the Tesla community for troubleshooting tips.